You know that dreamy camping moment that almost perfect until the heat ruins it? Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why I started carrying this portable USB fan everywhere I go, and trust me, it's more than just for camping. This is the X-23 model, and it's not just a fan, it's a 2-in-1 fan and LED light with some impressive features. Let's go over them real quick. It has a built-in hook, 270-degree tilt adjustment head, brushless motor, which is safe and quiet. It has 4 fan speeds that are 25, 50, 75%, and 100%. Just tap to adjust to your desired speed. Built-in LED lights with 3 brightness modes, power indicator which shows battery level at the 25, 50, 75, 100%. It has a USB Type-C fast charging, and it comes with a charging cable with simple instructions. It's available in 4 colors: army green, gray, orange, and black. It's lightweight and it fits easily into a large tote. It can charge other devices via the USB output and holds a charge up to 36 hours on low speed. I love that I can toss it in my bag or grab it from the trunk. It's always with me. Spending time at the park in the afternoon on a sunny, warm day where I need to be cool, it's awesome to have this lightweight fan with me. It easily goes in the car. I can charge it with this USB cord that comes with it. It charges easily in my car. So whether I'm spending the time at the park or enjoying coffee outdoors, it keeps the air flowing and makes everything more comfortable. I even took the fan with me to the winery. I popped it out my bag. I clipped it to the umbrella with the built-in hook on the bottom of the fan. It was so easy. And then later I moved it to the table. It did a great job with keeping the bugs off my plate. The battery was started to run low. It wasn't fully charged, so I charged it later that day. This fan is a summer essential. I even took it with me to the pool. As I soaked up some sun, it kept me cool while I laid there and sunbathed. I highly recommend this fan. And for my picnic, it came in handy. I stayed cool and the bugs stayed away. Mission accomplished. This fan may be made for camping, but I found it's a summer essential for everyday life. From camping, the winery, to the pool, this fan is definitely a must-have for your summer 2025. Use the product code in the description to grab yours today. You'll be glad you did. Stay cool.